Hey there, creators! Ready to bring your audience closer with MyMantis.AI's AI digital twin chatbot? Let's walk through how to set it up and share it with the world in just a few simple steps. First, head to the Connect page on MyMantis.AI. To make your chatbot public, you'll need a paid membership. Choose from Starter, Pro, or Enterprise plans to unlock this feature. Once you're subscribed, find the visibility setting on the Connect page. It's set to private by default, so click to switch it to public. Boom, your chatbot is now ready to engage with your audience. Next, you've got two awesome ways to embed your chatbot. Option 1, use an iframe to seamlessly integrate it into your website for a polished, professional look. Option 2, add a chat bubble for a friendly, pop-up style interaction that invites visitors to chat instantly. Both options are super easy to set up. Just copy and paste the provided code. Now, let's talk sharing. Every chatbot comes with a unique URL, perfect for spreading the word. Want to boost engagement on social media? Here's how to share it like a pro. On Facebook, post the chatbot's URL in a captivating update. For example, say, "Chat with my AI twin 24/7. Ask anything about my content." Pin the post to your page for maximum visibility, or share it in relevant groups to spark curiosity. For LinkedIn, craft a professional post to showcase your innovative approach. Try something like, "I've built an AI chatbot that answers your questions like it's me. Connect with my digital twin here." Share it with your network or in industry-specific groups to drive meaningful conversations with professionals. That's it. With MyMantis.AI, your AI digital twin is ready to engage 24/7. Set it public, embed it, share the URL, and watch your audience connect with you like never before. Get started today at MyMantis.AI.